The next aspect now, under chemical bonding, we have explained the octet rules. Why atom what? Bond. And it is what? Some molecule that they disobey the octet rules. So the next thing that we are going to treat now is what? What are the types, or how are we going to classify this chemical what? Chemical bonding. So the chemical bonding can be broadly classified into two parts. So how many parts? Two. The first one we have intermolecular bond. Intramolecular what? Bond. And the second one we have is what? Molecular bond. There are two types of chemical bonding. We have intramolecular bond, and then we have intermolecular bond. When we are talking of what? Of intra. See, the word intra simply means what? Within. If you have the word what? Inter, simply means what? Outside. So, you know, if you have what? Intra-house sports. The intra-house sport means what? The competition that is occur within the house. But inter-house sport, competition that occur within what? Within or between two or more house. So this intra is a bond that is occur within a molecule. Intramolecular bond within a molecule. But this intermolecular bond occur between two or more what? Molecule. Or let me use this in this way. We have A react with B. No, they form AB. The bond between this AB, this bond, we call it what? In what? Intra. Because intra what? Molecular bond. Molecular what? Bond. Is this one? Let me say, call it what? Intramolecular what? Bond. But if we also have what? Between X and Y, this bond is also what? Intra what? Molecular what? Bond. This is a molecule. This A is a what? Molecule. This S and Y is also what? Molecule. Abi? So if you now have what? A and what? XY, this is a molecule. This is also what? A molecule. The bond inside this AB is what? Intramolecular bond. This one. The bond inside SY is intra within a molecule. Bond inside here, intra within a molecule. The bond inside here, intra within a molecule. But if I now combine this what? A and B together with this broken line, the bond we have there is called what? Intermolecular bond. Inter. You can see that what is joined two molecules together. Bond that join two molecules together is called intermolecular bond. But those that join what? Two atoms together is called what? Intramolecular bond. This intermolecular bond join what? Two atoms together. This intermolecular bond join two molecules together. And then we always use broken line to denote intermolecular bond. So, how I said, the bond that is exists that join two atoms together is called intramolecular bond, and you can also call it what? Interatomic bond. Inter what? Atomic what? Bond. Another name for intramolecular bond is interatomic what? Bond, because it joins two or more atoms together. And this intramolecular bond now splits into two parts. Sorry, into four parts. The first one we have is called ionic bond. We have what? Ionic what? Ionic bond. And the second one we have is dative bond or covalent. Covalent what? Bond. And the third one we have is dative bond, or we can also call it what? Coordinate. Covalent bond. And the last one we have is metallic bond. Is what? Metallic what? Metallic bond. So those are the four types of what? Intramolecular what? Molecular bond. Intramolecular bond or intra-atomic what? Bond. And this intermolecular bond, the inter now, the second part, this one also divided into two parts. We have what we call what? Hydrogen bond. I what? We have I what? Hydrogen bond. And the second one, we have Van der Waals bond. Van der Waals force. And this Van der Waals force now divided into two parts. We have what we call what? London dispersion force. And the second one here, we have what we call what? Dipole attraction. And this hydrogen bonds too also divided into two parts. We have what we call what? Intermolecular hydrogen bond. And we also have what? Intramolecular what? Hydrogen bond. And under this covalent bond too, we also have what? Two types of what? Of covalent bond. We have what? Sigma bond. And we have what we call what? Pi bond. So if you can treat all these subtopic we have on what? On chemical bond, you are a master of chemical what? Chemical bond, which is known as what? The art of what? Of chemistry. Chemical bond is what? Is the art of the what? Of the chemistry, or you can also call it what? The backbone of the chemistry or the brain of the chemistry. This topic. So there is no topic in chemistry that the knowledge or the idea of what chemical bond is not what is not required. So let's take it one after the what? The other. What the first one we have is ionic what? Ionic bond.